Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find your Microsoft Teams user ID. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Sign in with your Microsoft account if you are not already signed in. After you are logged in, go to the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile picture. Next to it, click on the three dots menu. This will open a drop-down menu with different options. From the drop-down list, click on Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look for the section called Accounts and Orgs. Click on Accounts and Orgs. Here, you will see all the accounts that are linked to your Microsoft Teams app. For basic use, your email address is your Microsoft Teams user ID. The email address connected to your Microsoft account works as your ID in most cases. You can simply copy this email address and use it wherever you are asked to provide your Teams user ID. Now, if you are an admin or a developer and you need the technical object ID, the steps are different. The object ID is not shown directly inside the Teams app. To find this, you need to go to the Microsoft Intra Admin Center. Sign into the Microsoft Intra Admin Center with an admin account. Then go to Users, select the user, and open their profile. There you will find the object ID. This is the technical ID used for advanced configurations, scripts, or integrations. Thanks for watching.